exchange. If it's bright, you got one some. If it was not, you got another. If it was blue, you got extra some. If it was yellow, you got another. It's all very simple.
Well, we're about to have lunch. We've been about a couple of hours out from base camp in the zodiacs, which I'll show you in a second here because they're right over there. And they're preparing lunch in back of us. We're going to have a hot drink, and it's pretty nice. It's not really cold here, and it's good. And our zodiacs are right over my shoulder back there. I hope you can see them okay. But get a little hungry, so it'd be nice to have a nice hot cup of tea and a few other things. But as always, Ed Getley signing off. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We're doing a little hike here.
Do you see that white and black one there near
on the
your
rocks?
left foot on the
Just how I like my
this?
drinks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's neat. Lots of
On
cords
the
in
rocks.
here.
There's the glacier.
So originally the glaciers would have covered this. Yeah, yep, but I'm not clear when he said in terms of he said in his father's lifetime you couldn't have gotten up here with a boat. Yeah, so at least the water would have been covered, but I mean this sort of looks
So I think when he was
moraine-like in a way.
We're still on our little hike here. We've gotten up a little bit further, so we're looking at some lichens. But I'm going to take this opportunity to do a little vid. A lot of little bugs flying around, so you might see them flying in front of the lens here. They tend to bother us when we stand still.
You going to show us the lichen that kept Franklin alive, or sort of kind of poisoned him but kept him alive?
Oh.
I read about it
Yeah,
in Freddie's memoir.
We're looking at lichens. The
that's a
lichens
good.
are down
So
there.
I wonder which one he was
Down there.
eating. The
It's some kind of foliose, but that's
yes.
all I know.
We're at the top of the rock here. There's where we came from. And as we turn around here, we can see another side of the island over here with more mountains and growlers and different things in the background. All different color rocks up here, various things to see. It's pretty good. I'm going to turn around and you're going to be able to see me here. There's where we came from back there. We're at the top now here, and we may not go that far over there, but we'll see.
That's because I've been keeping track of this.
So,
But it's,
yep, up here.
it's related to the
Yes,
Cape
indeed. Yes, we made it. Rocky's home now.
Yeah, you can see it a little bit.
There's another one of those, what you think were sacrifices hiding in the shelter.
Yes, there it is. We're in Greenland. All right.
No, I just, it's funny because
Now it's driving
this
you
one has
insane.
been funny to me because
And here you can see on the island, as you come around here, is this gully down here. You can see it goes from one section cut right through. It's dry right now, right down about down here. You can see it, and it goes over and connects over to this other side over here. And we're going to find a spot to sit down and relax for a few minutes here. Okay. Well, I'm currently laying on a rock here in Greenland, just relaxing. And when I'm not talking or anything, there's not a sound to be heard for miles and miles, except a calving of a glacier off in the far distance. You might hear a crack. But sitting on my rock, it's nice here, my own rock, relaxing, letting the sun rays hit me through the clouds. So everything looks good here. This is the rock. It's pretty comfortable. No complaints from me. Got my backpack here, got the water. So this is pretty good here. So I'm going to go back to relaxing on my rock. Okay, see you later. Going right through here. And if you look at it, it goes all the way up to the other side over there. And as I said, it comes back down this way goes all the way over there too. That's where we're headed. Okay. Well, we'll keep the camera on while we're doing a little hiking here. And of course, picking them up, putting them down. Picking them up, putting them down. As usual on every trip. Okay. Little rocky terrain here. Gotta watch our step. Some vegetation. Just had some berries that we picked from these little teeny tiny bushes that you see down there. Actually have berries on them. They were quite tasty too. So, and we're coming back down here. I think we're actually over that way, I think is where our zodiacs are, but working our way back here. Come out to a little overlook here. Watch my step. And we'll come up here. And we got a little overlook here to see the different color rock on the other side.
Yeah, just any other section. Hang on, I'm just gonna
Pack too light.
yeah, that's right. She's in training.
Ballast.
It's probably strawberry.
As it
Birds that
passes
have been
through.
eating strawberries.
Yep.
Yeah. And so then what birds would this be?
Oh, because the seals wouldn't do it.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Probably not. But I have been when Liz and I came to scout, I think it was at the first stop that we made, I did see a wheat ear. And the northern wheat ear is a passerine or a songbird, and they live in rocky places like this. Right here.
Yeah, there's one. Yeah.
This is where they like to breed,
Mm-hmm.
and they travel all the way from Africa.
Oh, well, that's a good place.
So, yep, it would be the most likely to be here. Although there's a couple other songbirds that could potentially be here.
I saw a nondescript little brown bird that I assume might be a bunting. It had white edges, but it might have been a wheat ear on the tail.
On the tail.
Well, what wheat ears do, but the wheat ear.
Yeah, crowberry. Yeah. So I'm just always curious how people find ways of.
Here we have a couple of chunks of ice that are right up here by the rock. And this is probably from the glacier ice or something. Look at that chunk of ice. Isn't that a beautiful chunk of ice there? Little air bubbles, little mini cracks inside of it. And there's another one over here. So we're going to look at this one. And this one's pretty neat too. Look at that. Look at that. Nice chunk of ice, all kind of little, almost looks like, what do you call it? Little leaves and stuff that might have been caught in there and left a mark. Look at that on the other side. It's flat on that side. And bring it over here. And that's glacier ice right there. Touching it on Greenland. The Greenland glacier ice. Nice and cold. Have a nice little drink with that. How would you like to have that in your gin and tonic there, right there? That'd be nice, beautiful ice from who knows when it fell to the earth here. Maybe hundreds, maybe thousands of years ago. It's Greenland ice. Here I am in Greenland. Right here. That's where I am. Okay.